Since placing his first implant nearly 45 years ago, Dr. Jack Hahn has spent much of his career as an implantologist, thinking of ways to make treatment simpler and more predictable. This has included several key design innovations, with the creation of the original tapered implant chief among them. After the Nobel-replaced tapered implant system was launched in 1997, Dr. Hahn continued placing and restoring implants at a relentless pace, completing thousands of cases. This experience afforded clinical observations that would serve as the basis for a new implant design that Dr. Hahn considers his best. The implant would be even easier for doctors to place, with a simpler drilling protocol and a thread design that would allow for efficient placement and a high degree of primary stability. To take his design concept to the next level, Dr. Hahn began pursuing alternatives, an effort that led him to the implant manufacturing division of Glidewell Laboratories. This began a series of meetings that reunited Dr. Hahn with some of the same engineering personnel and business leaders with whom he had successfully collaborated in the past. Working with the Glidewell Laboratories engineering team, Dr. Hahn was able to fine-tune a design that accounts for everything he has learned since the original tapered implant came out nearly 20 years ago, zeroing in on the exact thread design needed to keep the implant engaged with a maximum amount of bone and help clinicians achieve the positioning and stability essential to a predictable aesthetic outcome. In Glidewell Laboratories, President and CEO Jim Glidewell, who is also well known for introducing industry-changing innovations, he found an individual equally committed to enhancing the quality of treatment while reducing the cost of care, forming a partnership that has brought Dr. Hahn's idea for a better, more affordable implant to life. Dr. Hahn didn't want to put his name on the product unless the quality was up to his standards, and what he found at the Glidewell Manufacturing Center in Irvine, California, convinced him that Jim Glidewell was serious about this venture and had spared no expense in developing a world-class facility and assembling a team of engineers that was more than capable of carrying out his vision. This partnership culminated in the recent launch of the Hahn Tapered Implant system, and Dr. Hahn couldn't be happier with the results. A simple, versatile implant that makes treatment more accessible to doctors so they can improve their practices and the quality of life of their patients.